Come, follow me. I was gonna do a thing.
Because I'm there because I work on my floor workout. I think you want me to stay fat.
I don't. Come to the side. I learned that in class. How'd that look? Micah came on this trip to walk. I'm fully not walking. Well, he came to exercise. Rate of perceived exertion. This is beyond 13. This is about a 14. What's your rate of perceived exertion from 6 to 20? 20 being the worst, 13 being in the middle.
What, exertion?
How hard do you think you're working?
I've been running up and down this. This is like my third trip up.
It's not. It's really not.
You know, that's why them guns be screaming like motherfucker up in this bitch.
They're looking nice, actually. So your rate of perceived
Can't have a
exertion.
trainer for that, Marlon.
Big up yourself, Marlon. What's your rate?
So I laid that after training and my child after me.
Okay, how is that relevant?
It's relevant. I went there to buy something and she was writing my plate and she was pregnant. She's like, yo, that's a nice name. I'm gonna name my child Micah. I went back there a couple months ago, which was like over a year after. And she's like, Micah. I was doing something, client called my name. She's like, Micah. She's like, I named my child after you.
That's not weird at all. Who is this lady?
I'm serious as a judge. I don't know this man for
That's actually a nice name though. It's a name from the Bible. So what does it mean again?
Like God.
Like God.
I know an virgin accidentally named my child after me.
Really? Yeah. How accidentally?
Because he thought my name was Micah, and he like Micah, so he decided to say, Shani can name my child Micah.
Oh.
My name is Micah.
It's a nice name. When I was at one of the prep schools, the last prep schools
So
I was at,
kids out there named after me.
I get you. Influencer, indirectly, passively an influencer. That's good.
Oh, I think I'm going to go.
Nice. So, some people might say no walking, and one of the common things that I get is, why are you even walking? Why are you even exercising? People don't understand that sometimes it's less about the outward expression of what's going on, more so the inward expression, right? So walking is not necessarily to lose weight, to tone up. It's also to helping with your mentation. With all that's going on around, we need to do as much as we can to release endorphins and to enjoy ourselves. Because thanks to this pandemic, we're constantly in reactive mode. Like our sympathetic nervous system don't know when to turn off. Yeah? So walking, exercising helps you to focus, refocus on what's important. You, self, and others. But for real. Even one time a day is better than none.
Even one time a week.
Huh? Or one time a week, yeah. Every journey can be conquered. Whew. You and God, Micah. You and God.
You just have to be a skeleton, don't it?
That's how it's done. I mean, I've said everything that I need to say. Working out at least once per week is better than working out none at all. If it even means 5 minutes of just deep breathing, exhaling to help you to recenter yourself, to get back to what it is that you want to feel like. Everybody knows what their ground zone is. What's your baseline? Check into it. Make sure you're always there. If you're not always there, find something to settle that out or to sort that out. So it could be sitting down, as I said before, deep breathing. It could be reaching your arms up overhead. It could be a 30 to 20 minute yoga class, aerobic class, whatever you need to do to get it started. You get it to work. All right, big up yourselves. I did it. Hey, so the first time that you did this?
It was harder the first couple of times. Yeah, and even going down, reach on legs and I wobble, but muscles feel like they're not working. But this just feels super lightweight now. Not stimulate the muscles and all that.
So what have you been doing that has created this change in you?
Sign my life over to Marlon.
You signed your life over to Marlon.
Yes.
But like, what kind of exercises have you been doing though?
You know, to be very honest, I don't know the names of them. But it's just a shitload of stuff, including 5 push-ups.
Endurance.
Including 500 push-ups.
Endurance and strengthening stuff.
I don't know how he's still thinking them already. But
Yeah.
man overboard in the morning. Yeah, but as I said, Marlon is a terrific trainer, so it just makes life easy once you decide that you're going to do it. And pay attention to not just the workout, but the dietary part. Because I mean, prior to me working out with him, I couldn't do this. None of all that. I've reached like halfway and I feel like I'm dying. Now it feels like I could
So
jog
what
up
has
this-
your diet, what your diet look like now?
the truth or the half truth?
No, like mostly, because I've realized that you have made a dramatic change in terms
Well,
of.
yeah.
I wish I had a photo. Do you have you have before pictures at
Yeah,
home?
but I'm
Okay,
not
so
showing
I
I'm
could
not-
like
I'm not showing anybody
drop a
that.
before picture.
No, that was
He
fat
has
on
lost quite a bit of weight.
I'm not showing anybody that.
Like stop and just turn. Stop and turn around. I'm gonna drop a before picture. Turn your back, and you can see he's actually losing quite a bit of weight and he's shaping out. And this is what? How long you been doing this now? A couple months. And his workout has included strengthening resistance work with both weights, because he used to the gym, but then since the pandemic and the lockdowns increased, he's been doing workouts at home, working out via Zoom, working out via phone calling with his trainer, and they were working out for how many times per week? Like a couple times per week with the Zoom, but he used to work with a little bit more in the gym. And then his workouts meal plans have included stuff like lean meat. Come now, rock.
Chicken,
Can you slow down?
chicken breast,
Jesus.
vegetable, fish.
Okay. And smoothies, fruit smoothies, protein shakes. Yeah. Guys, I'm feeling all kind of sexy. You like my tights? I'm gonna. Well, I bought this one. I was in Miami, so I can't link below where I got it. But I'm pretty sure you could probably look on Amazon and find those tie-dye. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna source them on Amazon because I'm that confident that they're selling them on Amazon, and link it below, and you guys can click on that link. All right. Ooh.
You know, you can just walk now when I stop doing most, right?
No, I don't know how to walk normal. Don't leave me. Don't leave me.
No, stay there. Stay there.